Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the game Chikki. Chikki is a fantastic cloud gaming platform that lets you enjoy a vast library of PC and console games right on your mobile device or through a browser. Imagine playing your favorite high-end titles like Grand Theft Auto 5 or Elden Ring without needing an expensive gaming PC. It's all about streaming the game to you, making gaming accessible to everyone with a good internet connection. To begin your Chikki adventure, simply create an account and log in. Once inside, you'll notice that playing games requires in-game coins. Don't worry, there are many ways to earn them. You can collect daily login rewards, watch short advertisements, or complete various missions and achievements. These coins are your key to unlocking and enjoying the extensive collection of games available on the platform. When you choose a game, you might enter a waiting queue, especially during peak hours. To get into the action faster, you can use speed cards, which significantly reduce your wait time. Chikki supports various input methods, including external Bluetooth controllers, mouse and keyboard, or intuitive on-screen touch controls. This flexibility ensures a comfortable gaming experience, no matter your preference. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 15 megabits per second download speed. Consider a VIP membership for perks like playing games without spending coins and enjoying high-definition streaming at 60 frames per second. You can also connect with other players through online multiplayer, voice chat, and even live stream your gameplay, making Chikki a vibrant gaming community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.